Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print or create your calling cards, business calling cards using Canva. And as you can see, I have already made the design. I've already created it. It's really minimalist. That's the way I want it. That's my brand. And so now I'm just picking the type of paper and the quantity and all these things. So at first I didn't know. I've been using Canva for quite a long time now, and I didn't know obviously that they can print calling cards. And I tried to scan. I was looking through other online calling cards printer here in Italy, but they're kind of expensive. I mean, the price is a bit higher than the ones in Canva. So I thought, hey, I should try Canva. Everything is free in terms of design. I have the pro version, and I mean, but I'm just happy with the platform. So let me just give it a try, and let's see the quality of the calling cards once it's printed. So here it is. I'm looking at, I was thinking at first maybe I'll just print 100 calling cards, but then I was like, hey, maybe I could save a little bit for 150. So it really depends also on design. The price here is a bit just slight higher than my second set of calling cards because these are my first calling cards because of the design. And I always like the minimalist. So the second design actually is really, really super minimal. So anyway, I am just, I just entered all my, my details here, and then my card number. And as you can see, the delivery is free. But let me just tell you that after 2 days, it has already arrived after 2 days. So like I said, this is my first calling cards, and then the second one is also here right now, right beside me. But I want to show the experience to you, so at least you have an idea and how the cards look like in person. And so just paying and all other things right here. So now, after I paid and processed my order, and I'm very happy, after 2 days, it has arrived. So here it is.